Hey guys, it's your girl Nicole. Welcome back to the channel. So today is actually a do-over vlog day from yesterday. I was going to take you guys on my self-care day here in Bali, but I ended up having a last-minute change of plans. And if you want to check that out, you can click this link right here to check out what I ended up doing instead of my self-care day. So today I am heading out to go get my facial. I'm actually going to do it this time, and so I'm going to just take you guys along. And for those of you that are new here, my name is Nicole and I am a self-proclaimed freedom chaser, and this channel is dedicated to daily inspiration for what it would look like to create and live your freedom life, live it out loud, and never have to take a vacation from it. So if you're new here, I welcome you, and let's get ready to go have this facial, guys. I'm so excited. Heading to a place called Asian Aesthetics, and I am going to have a facial done. And I've been to this place before. They do an amazing job, which is why I'm going back. I have a special lady there. Her name is Kadek, and she takes wonderful, amazing care of me. So let's go have a self-care day in Bali, guys. It's actually a beautiful day here, and I'm just gonna turn this camera around so that you guys can see how gorgeous it is here today. Like, this is literally this is literally what I'm waking up to every single morning. I mean, it's just absolutely gorgeous. So I want you to use this as inspiration, guys. Use this as inspiration for creating. Use this as inspiration for what it looks like to step out on faith, take a chance on yourself. I am doing this very intentionally, because and when I say intentionally, I mean I'm sharing this journey intentionally so that I can be an inspiration to others that may be feeling a little hesitant and may not know what it could look like. But let me be your example of that, guys. So let's get out of here. I've got to call my Grab. And so Grabs or Gojeks, or how people, it's the equivalent to Uber here in Bali. And so I'm gonna call my Grab, and I'm ordering a bike, which I tell people is probably the most efficient way to get around here. And yeah, so I'll call my Grab. It'll probably be here in 5 minutes. My appointment's at 1. It is 12:40 right now, so I've got plenty of time. And let's see where the day takes us, guys. All right, guys, I have left the room. I am on my way. I'm walking to my Grab right now. And so hi, how are you? Afternoon. Good, thanks. All right, so here we go. Hi, how are you today? Excellent, excellent. See you in a little bit. All right, so we are on our way to our Grab. You want to turn around? How are you today? Excellent. Yep. Okay, I'm ready. Yes, just right up the street. Thank you. Right, and we're on our way. Gonna go get our facial. On our way, guys. Guys, so I'm here at Asian Prophecy Spa, and here are all the accolades that they have received. Now, I only come here for the facials, but I'm gonna start tapping into some of this other stuff they got here. They got Botox, they got Restylane. They got all the things here, so I'm gonna have to spend some time with this menu and see what I want to get into. Thank you so much. And of course, this is probably my favorite part of the experience. It's this little drink that they bring. Oh my god. And these little cassava chips are so yummy. Oh my god. I think so. Yeah, I want to do the same like before. With the extractions, and you know how to get them good. Yeah. Okay. And then I think last time you had done the was it the micro the diamond Yeah, can we add that on?
Okay, what the moment, yeah?
Alright guys, I am now in the treatment room and here are all the goodies. So right now I'm having more of a traditional facial with diamond glow dermabrasion, but I am gonna come back, and once I've reviewed the menu, I'm gonna come back and get into all the other amazing things that they have going on here. So right now I'm just putting my things up into my little locker. I'm gonna change into my service outfit and I'll be back. All set, ready to go. She just took pictures of my face. Alright guys, I'm about to get into this facial. Consider the rest of this video a little bit of ASMR and just take a look at how gentle and detailed Katek is in giving me this facial. I think I was here for just over 2 hours and it was worth every minute of it. Also, if you're interested in how I'm able to create this life, where I'm able to have self-care days in the middle of the week, feel free to check out my other videos. This channel is also dedicated to all things money, all things creating a freedom life, and all things how I am going to show you how to make money online having no experience at all. So feel free to subscribe to the channel, and I look forward to seeing you later. And don't forget to wait till the end so that you can see how absolutely gorgeous and glowing my face is at the end of this.
This is the peeling.
It's a peel?
Yes, for the remove for the wrinkle also. I give you a little bit for massage like this for the wrinkle also. Like that, and the for skin like that also, yeah.
Did we do this last time?
Yes,
Yeah.
then last time, yeah, for your face after this for brightening with the
With the brightening,
yes,
okay.
with the serum. Same last time, yeah.
Yeah, it's just a little, I don't remember this. Okay, so this is just like the peel.
Yes.
What kind of you use? What brand is
this
it?
from Tegoder,
Mm-hmm.
like the Spain, maybe Spain, yeah.
Spain?
Like, yes.
Okay.
This is good for your dry skin cell also.
Mm.
Yes, remove for your acne also, for the wrinkle.
Yes.
After this, I give you the little bit massage, yeah.
A massage?
Massage for whitening this one, peeling, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Are you
It
okay?
just has a little tingle.
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel
normally,
good. Yeah.
normally, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I have the last one.
Serum with
Mesotherapy needle, yeah, for the lifting, yeah.
for the lifting. What's this machine?
This is the Meso Ultra
Oh,
Compression
Ultra
from Japan. Ultra Compression.
Ultra Corporation
Yes, from Japan.
from Japan.
Yes, this is mesotherapy needle.
Meso, say it again.
Mesotherapy needle.
Mesotherapy,
No needle.
no needle.
Yes.
Oh,
This is for the lifting.
okay. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Can I have a seat, please, miss?
Alright.
Okay.
All done, guys.